Gutter problems, simple to fix, but if you don't clean out your gutters, this could cost you big. Uh, if the gutters are clogged, your fascia gets destroyed. You can even, in the wintertime, get ice damming. If not corrected, damage can occur to your walls and ceilings, your wood floors, carpeting, fascias and soffits, your siding, your basement, even your foundation. And then, of course, there's hidden mold and wet insulation. Now, if you have the right homeowner's policy, this damage may be covered. And if your deductible is reasonable, even though you let this happen, it could cost you little to fix. Don't know if you have the right coverage? Give me 15 minutes to do a free policy review. Nothing to buy. We do not sell insurance. My name is Bob Gunther. I'm a licensed public adjuster, 201-982-1223, or you can use this QR code.